This is a lot of work to do this kind of work. Getting this cab ready to be mounted back onto its frame. It has to be structurally sound, and it will be structurally sound when I'm done. All this was rotted away, all of it. And I had to dig in to get it correct. And now I'm going to weld this piece back in. And it goes like right here. That's the new piece right there. I've cut it to fit. It fits in there nicely. Here's the other side for the other side of the cab. The new parts are over here for the cab corner. And the new rockers are right behind. Lots of work to get this done. And the new A-pillar is in here. So, lots to do. Good music always helps go along. Peace out. Choose. Be good.